Okay, balik tayo sa hardcore, fourth quarter and final. 53-47, 6 points, speed joy by the referee. Madla ngayon, paita ka ng bola to San Pedro. Balik kay Madla. There's a whistle, it's a traveling, tawag ng referee.
Busyata dito.
Turnover to the Patak Boys.
Baka mga bakit Patak Boys yan.
Mga bakta.
Inbounding Trinidad. Jose, receive the inbound pass. Is still Jose. To Trinidad, drives in. Wala. Last touch by Pascual.
Alam mo yan.
Same ball, Trinidad. To Trinidad. Inikot ang bola.
Ikot ka. Ikot.
Pinasa kay Jose. Tumira ng 3. Wala. May rebound there by Velasco. Kenneth Velasco. Nakapit. Nakagaw ni Trinidad. Trinidad ngayon. All the way. There's a whistle.
Shit, counted ba?
It's a foul called on Kenneth Velasco, number 11. The second personal foul called on Kenneth Velasco. First team foul para sa fourth quarter. San Pedro, intercepted, there's a whistle. It's an holding foul, hold on. Ian Velasco, graduate! Ian Jose, I should say. Sorry for the inconvenience. Balikan sa hardcore, bola ng referee. Madla ngayon, may taka ng bola. Madla ng Velasco, almost left the ball. Velasco, balik kay brother Velasco, Ian. Madla. Velasco to Velasco. 10 second shot clock. San Pedro.
Tira! Shot clock no.
Using the ball. Yes, a power play shot by San Pedro for 2. Trinidad. To Jose. Jose ngayon. Binubulabog ni Madla.
3 points.
Trinidad. Yes.
Good for 2.
Good for 2 by Trinidad.
Mababa.
Madla ngayon. Madla. To Velasco. Hindi na. Big rebound na by Trinidad to Jose. Jose ngayon. Hindi ko na bola to ay pinasa kay Madla. Madla. Running shot. Wala. Nandun si Jose. Bumawi. Jose ngayon. Nagmamadali. Si Jose.
Traveling.
It's a traveling, tawag ng referee.
Easy lang, easy.
Turnover to the Riverdale Warriors.
Depensa.
Last 5 minutes, 35 seconds left. Fourth quarter na po tayo. Final. Velasco. Balik kay Madla. San Pedro, using the board. Wala. Big rebound there by Trinidad to Jose. His starting score, 55-49. Jose. Trinidad. Pino Jose. Sumalaksak. Marudok. There's a whistle. Last touch by Pino Jose. Turnover to the Riverdale Warriors.
Kahit wag na sana mag 3 points, shoot lang.
Velasco. Almost left the ball. Recovered by Velasco. The brother. Madla. Madla. Is still Madla. Running shot. Wala. Recovered by San Pedro. Stepping on the baseline. Tawag ng referee.
Sayang nga yung bola.
This is subdivision rep. Tino Jose out. Wine in. Ay Apostol.
Ikaw, Nick.
Jose. Slow dribbling para sa
Ba't
Patak
na?
Boys. One open man to Trinidad. To Trinidad, the brother, there's a whistle.
Oy. San Pedro.
It's a foul, called on San Pedro. Third personal foul, called on San Pedro. Warning for penalty.
Oh.
Trinidad. To Trinidad. Number 21. Jose. Jose to Trinidad.
Putik na referee.
Nabitawan, nakatapik ni San Pedro.
Hey!
Magayon.
Easy lang!
Madala from 15-foot line, wala.
Shit!
Rebounded by
Nangyari.
Trinidad. Trinidad ngayon, nagmamadali, sumalaksa. Nabitawan, nakakuha ni It's a possession na raw, same ball.
Shit na referee to.
Jose, Roger. Malakas. Velasco ngayon, all the way. Western basket, yes. Good for two by Kenneth Velasco. Time remaining, 3 minutes, 45 seconds left pag may foul. Trinidad, nakatapik ni Madla. Okay, pwede na. Substitution rep. Push out, push out.
Push up.
Lanusain, Saprain, Kenneth Velasco, and Madla out. Trinidad out. Tino, Jose in.
Nakalabas na ba?
Inbounding Jose. To Tino Jose. Jose. To Trinidad. There's a whistle.
Oh, penalty, penalty.
It's a foul called on Pascual. Penalty situation.
Penalty.
Standing score 57-49. Time remaining 3 minutes 30 seconds left for the final canto. First throw para kay Trinidad. Yes. Last throw. Yes. He convert this first and last throw. San Pedro ngayon, may tanga na bola. 57-51. 6 points being enjoyed by the Reparville Warriors. Lanusa. Balik kay Sapra.
Oy.
Nabitawan. It's a loose ball. Tawag ng referee. Turn over to the Patak Boys. 3 minutes 15 seconds left for the final quarter. We stand by second game. Reserve timeout. Okay. Jose ngayon, may taka ng bola. Still Jose. Slow dribbling para sa Patak Boys. Still Jose. To Apostol. Pumorma ng 3. Yes! Apostol. 3 points!
Bawi, bawi, bawi!
San Pedro ngayon. San Pedro. There's a whistle. Lucky foul. Called on Tino Jose. Time out! The Reparville Warriors. The standing score 57-54. 3 points being enjoyed by the Reparville Warriors. Time remaining 2 minutes 50 seconds left. Still anybody's game para sa fourth quarter. Stand by second game. The Hard Knocks versus the Mali Plains.
Ilbog yung harap, ilbog. Tulong ka, pag lumabog sila, nasa yung bola sa loob. Tulong. Tulong na.
4, penalty pa lang. Bola ng referee Warriors.
Sir, yung mga ano dyan baka matitigaw sila.
Wala na kayong timeout. Isa na lang. San Pedro, drives in. Follow San Pedro, wala pa rin. Ian Velasco, yes.
Idol!
Finally, good for 2 by Ian Velasco.
Banday!
Last 2 minutes, 34 seconds left. O siya ngayon. Tuwapostol. There's a whistle.
O, penalty, penalty.
It's a foul, called on Sapra. Subdivision ref.
Penalty, penalty.
Lanusa out, Velasco in. Standing score, 59-54. 5 points being enjoyed by the Reparville Warriors. Penalty situation. Last 2 minutes. 23 seconds left para sa final quarter. First throw, wala. Pag na-shoot. Wala. Big rebound again by Trinidad. Follow-up shot, wala. It's still Trinidad. There's a whistle again. It's a foul called on Pascual. The subdivision ref. Pascual out. Lanusa in. Trinidad awarded the penalty situation being committed by Pascual from 15-foot line. His local was on there. Yes, he converted his first throw. Time remaining, 2 minutes, 22 seconds left. Is still anybody's game. Para sa fourth quarter.
Wala!
Final quarter na po tayo. No good.
Wala!
A power play shot. Good for 2 by Trinidad. Turnover to the Reparville Warriors, 59-57. Dalawa na lang po ang kalabaw ng mga Reparville Warriors. San Pedro ngayon. San Pedro, to Lanusa. Good for 2 by Lanusa. Last 2 minutes, 5 seconds left.
Depensa lang! Depensa!
Ngayon, last 2 minutes.
Depensa! Depensa! Wala yan!
Trinidad.
Wala!
Jose. Wala.
Hawak lang, hawak.
Ian Velasco.
Easy lang!
San Pedro ngayon. San Pedro. There's a whistle. It's a
Blocking foul.
called on number 11. That is
Kaya.
Trinidad. Penalty.
Take time!
San Pedro. From the big line. Yes. He converted his first penalty shot. Last throw para kay San Pedro.
Sure ball!
62-57. Last 1 minute 40 seconds left. Yes, he converted his first and last throw.
O, bilis. Bastos ka.
Trinidad ngayon, may tao ko na. Still Trinidad. 63-57. Trinidad drives in. Too short.
Yan, sige! Ubus oras! Ubus oras!
Velasco ngayon, may tao na bola to Lanusa. 1 minute 23 seconds. There's a whistle.
Counted! Ay, counted free throw.
Time out, time out.
Time out! Impact Boys. The starting score, 63-57. 1 minute 19 seconds left for the final quarter. 6 points being enjoyed by the Reparville Warriors. 1 minute 19 seconds left for the final quarter. Stand by side game. Malik Plains versus the Hard Knocking on Heaven's Door.
Ilang minuto ba? Ilang minuto ba?
minute, 19 seconds for the final quarter. Standing score, 63-57. 6 points being enjoyed by the Reparville Warriors. Nasa kita po si Velasco. For penalty situation. Unang tira, wala. Mabalik ka, kumota yung upsat.
Surbol na yun.
Ha?
Surbin na yan.
Last throw para kay Velasco. Slow moves on there. Yes, he avoid this last throw.
Depensa lang, ubos oras.
Tuloy-tuloy 60,
Shit, lobat.
67, ay 64, 57.
Ubos oras.
Trinidad.
Ay!
Wala.
Oh, depensa lang. Hawak bola.
There's a whistle.
Surbin na to.
It's a foul. Ball number 11. That is Trinidad. Last 1 minute na po tayo. Fourth quarter, final quarter na po tayo. Sapra,
Take time.
situation. Unang tira, wala.
Take time! Surbol!
Last throw para kay Sapra. Yes, he will win this last throw. Last 1 minute. Trinidad. Trinidad pa rin. Looking for another man. Jose, tumira ng 3. Wala. Airborne. There's a whistle. It's a kick ball. Tawag ng referee. Same ball. 46 seconds left.
Surbol.
Standing score. 65-57. Trinidad.
Ubos oras! Ubos oras!
Boys, 39 seconds. Velasco to Sapra. Raising the ball sa pera.
Nice! Yes! Free throw pa!
It's a foul. Ball on Trinidad.
Wala na, Surwin na.
Trinidad. Penalty situation. 29 seconds left.
Take time, idol!
The starting score. 65-60. First throw, wala.
Surbol, surbol, surbol! Ay, surbol.
Last throw po tayo para kay Velasco. Yes, this last throw. 66-60. Ano po, ang kalamangan ng mga 25 seconds.
Nice one, nice one, nice one! Nice one, nice one! Nice one, nice one! Wala na, pabayaan nyo na, surbol na.
15 seconds. There's a whistle. Another foul goes on.
Wala na, surbol na.
Number 11, that is Trinidad.
Wala na, surbol na, yan na.
Penalty. 13 seconds left.
Daya ng pag-asa, daya.
66-60. Warning Trinidad.
No need.
First throw. Yes. We will win this first throw. Last throw para kay Lanusa from 15-foot line. 66-60. Ay 67.
Wala na, kahit di na pa-shoot, wala na
Recovered
pag-asa.
by Velasco. 10 seconds.
Wow!
5 seconds.
Uwi na, uwi na!
4